Yeah, welcome back to Dreamworld, everyone. This is where the HYPERCOASTER is going to go, behind Sky Voyager. 11th of December 2020. As you can see here, it's all happening now. We're not mucking around. This will be up and running soon. Welcome to Mark's channel. We'll take you for a tour. We'll go for a walk up here now. We're going to show you days after days, weeks after weeks, months after months, and show you exactly what this place is going to look like in 12 months' time. You'll be surprised. You'll look back on these videos and think, you serious? Yeah. We're building a new HYPERCOASTER, and I'm going to do 1,000 rides on it under 6 months, like I did at Movie World. I did 1,000 rides in 5 months and 15 days. We got to 1660 for the year, 12 months. 13 months we got to 2,021 rides on a HYPERCOASTER on a 1.4 kilometre track. So you'd be surprised what you can do with your mind. You check it out, they've even ripped up the railway line. I wonder why it's cost $30 million for the HYPERCOASTER out in the car park to be built. I wonder how much it costs to construct all of it and put it all up. It's the same people that put up the HYPERCOASTER at Movie World. You were at joint drop here. Hey, we're going to try to get on this as well. We'll probably do 500 of these. I've never been on it. I mean, I've always been HYPERCOASTering, but when the HYPERCOASTER is built, as you can see, it's going to be all completely different. Yeah. So it's going to be completely different. Now we walk this way. See, they fenced it all off. I tell you, they don't muck around when they build stuff, eh? See, they had to cut the railway line out because I think the HYPERCOASTER is going to be coming over to here as well. So they're going to have to put in a whole new train line, it looks like. Looks like the train won't be running from Central for a while. No. And this was the walking track. But as you can see, we're going to be ripping all that up, using all that space there for the HYPERCOASTER. Remember I told you about the blue lines that were in? Well, that's where the legs are going to go. There's a lot of work to be involved. A lot happening. We're going to get up and have another good look in a minute. Up over there. Yeah. You'd be surprised what you can do. You got the right tools. Definitely the right tools. Welcome to Joint Drop. This is where the new HYPERCOASTER is going to be. So as you can see, all the fence line in here. The new HYPERCOASTER will probably be all up around here because it's going to be in line with this up here. Yeah, you'll end up having great big steel structurals all here. Now we're gonna, oh, we can't even walk that way now. That's all blocked. It's all blocked off. Okay. You can't even go through there. They've even actually chopped out the trees a lot. Gee, they don't muck around, do they? Eh? They've even taken the staircase out. Yeah. That was the smoking destination area. It was a house up there, the Big Brother's house. over to here now, and we'll be able to get more of a view over here. See? They chopped it all down, the ramp, the lot. They chopped the trees down. That's all for the HYPERCOASTER. Used to be a fence and all here. See right there, used to be where you'd stand and have a cigarette. And behind the tree there, where the bulldozer is, used to be a house. Well, they've got to come in and clean all the land up first and get the land right, get all the dirt in, and get it all stabilised nice and hard for the new HYPERCOASTER to come into place. So anyway, this is it. I'll be back another day to let you know on when the legs are going in, and show you in progress, and show you before and after. And not many people would actually have videos of this, of Dreamworld, the new HYPERCOASTER getting built. That's laying in the car park. Today is the 11th of December 2020, and we're in Queensland, Gold Coast, and we're here watching the new HYPERCOASTER grounds get built. As you can see, all this here will be all cleaned up. A brand new HYPERCOASTER will be here within 12 months. We'll be doing 1,000 rides on it, and then we can do 500 rides on that while it gets busy on the HYPERCOASTER here. So anyway, take care of yourselves, and we'll leave you with a view back over here. Don't know what's happened to the joint drop. Looks like it's seized up because they're not moving. They're not going nowhere, they're just sitting there. But we'll see you shortly on the next show. Thanks for watching.